You might know that the word shee in Arabic, it means a thing. But do you know how to use it to say everything, something, anything, or nothing? Sometimes it even means about. We will see all of this with a lot of examples. Yalla, let's start. We will start with simple examples when the word she, it means something. So if you want to say, I want to tell you something important, in Arabic you would say, بدي إلك شي مهم. بدي, I want. إلك, I want to tell you, masculine. If you are talking to a woman, you would say إلك. بدي إلك or بدي إلك. She, it is something. مهم is important. بدي إلك شي مهم. Bring something sweet with you. جيب معك شي حلو. جيب, it is imperative. Here you are talking to a man, so you will say جيب. If you are talking to a woman, you will say جيبي. معك with you masculine, معك with you feminine. جيب معك to a man, جيبي معك to a woman. شي حلو, something sweet. So something sweet to eat. جيب معك شي حلو. Are you looking for something? عم تدور على شي. عم تدور, you are looking masculine. عم تدوري, you are looking feminine. على شي, for something. Are you looking for something? In Arabic, when we want to form questions that needs do, does, did in English, in Arabic, we don't need to change anything in the sentence. We just do the sentence with changing of the tone of the voice. عم تدور على شي, are you looking for something? شي تاني, something else. شي, it is something. تاني, it is else. The exact meaning of تاني, it means second. But when we use it in this context, it means else. شي تاني. You could use it to say, do you want something else? بدك شي تاني if you are talking to a man. بدك شي تاني if you are talking to a woman. When we put the helping word في before she, here we are forming there is something or is there something. It's the same as I said before when we want to form questions that needs is, am, are, or do, does, did in English. In Arabic, we don't change anything. We just change the way that we are talking. So if you want to ask, is there something to eat? In Arabic, you will say, في شي أكله. في شي is there something. أكله, here in Arabic, I eat it. In Arabic, whenever we have the object not mentioned in the sentence, or we mention it before we say the verbs, now we have to connect the verb to the object with adding a suffix at the end. Here, because we are talking about food and food is masculine in Arabic, so we need to add the suffix واو, u. So, أكله, I eat it. في شي أكله, there is something wrong with the program. في شي غلط بالبرنامج. في شي غلط, there is something wrong. بالبرنامج, with the program. في شي غلط بالبرنامج. ولا شي, it means nothing. Nothing will make him change his mind. ولا شي بيخليه يغير رأيه. ولا شي, nothing. يخليه, it has more than meaning in Arabic depending how do we use it. Here, it make him. خليه, by adding the suffix ha at the end, we are forming him. Make him. يغير, he change. رأيه, his opinion. Here it means in Arabic the exact meaning, but it means his mind. ولا شي بيخليه يغير رأيه. If you are talking about a woman, now you will say ولا شي بيخليها تغير رأيها. In English, you are not allowed to use double negation. So you have to say I know nothing, or you will say I don't know anything. But in Arabic, we say I don't know nothing. So we use double negation. Or if we don't want to use double negation, now we have to use the negation only on the verb. So we would say I don't know anything. Let's see the examples. So, for example, you want to say, I don't know anything about her. In Arabic, you could say it in two ways. So, you could say, ما بعرف ولا شيء عنها. ما بعرف, I don't know. ولا شيء, nothing. عنها, about her. Or you could say it, ما بعرف شيء عنها. ما بعرف, I don't know. She, something. Here it means nothing in this context. عنها, about her. ما بعرف شيء عنها. ما بعرف ولا شيء عنها. I don't know anything about what happened. ما بعرف ولا شيء عن يلي صار. ما بعرف, I don't know. ولا شيء, nothing. عن, about. يلي, what. صار, happened. ما بعرف ولا شيء عن يلي صار. Or you could say it in the other way. ما بعرف شيء عن يلي صار. ما بعرف, I don't know. She is something. Here it means anything or nothing. ما بعرف شيء عن يلي صار. ما بعرف شيء عن يلي صار. I did nothing during the holiday. ما عملت ولا شيء بالعطلة. ما عملت, I didn't do. ولا شيء, nothing. بالعطلة, during the holiday. Or the other way, ما عملت شيء بالعطلة. Also it means I did nothing during the holiday. كل شيء, it means everything. كل شيء جاهز للسفرة. Everything is ready for the trip. كل شيء is everything. جاهز is ready. للسفرة, for the trip. كل شيء جاهز للسفرة. You could find everything about the topic on the internet. فيك تلاقي كل شيء عن الموضوع على الانترنت. فيك, you could or you can, by adding the suffix k, kaf, to the preposition في, we are forming you can. فيكي, if you are talking to a woman. تلاقي, you find. فيك تلاقي, we use the same verb if we are talking to a woman because this verb ends with e, and in Arabic when the verb ends with e, so we use it for feminine and masculine the same. فيك تلاقي, to a man. فيك تلاقي, to a woman. كل شيء, everything. عن الموضوع, about the topic. عن, it is about. موضوع is the topic or the matter or the subject. Depends how do we use it in our context. فيك تلاقي كل شيء عن الموضوع على الانترنت, on the internet. فيك تلاقي كل شيء عن الموضوع على الانترنت. If you want to ask someone, is everything okay? In Arabic you could say كل شيء تمام, just كل شيء, everything. تمام is okay or perfect. كل شيء تمام, you could use it to ask or to answer because you don't need to change anything in the Arabic sentence between question and just saying something. كل شيء تمام. أي شيء, anything. If someone asks you, what do you want for dinner? You have nothing in mind, you want to say anything. In Arabic you will answer أي شيء. شو بدك تتعشى? أي شيء. شو بدك, what do you want? Masculine, شو بدك? Feminine, شو بدك? شو بدك. تتعشى, it is to have dinner. In Arabic, to have breakfast, dinner or lunch, we have actual verbs to say this. So, تتعشى, you have dinner, masculine. تتعشي, you have dinner, feminine. شو بدك تتعشى? شو بدك تتعشي؟ أي شيء. Do you know anything about Sami? Where is he these days? بتعرف أي شيء عن سامي؟ وينه هالأيام؟ بتعرف, you know, masculine. بتعرفي, if you are talking to a woman. تعرف, بتعرفي. أي شيء, anything. عن سامي, about Sami. وينه, where is he? هالأيام, these days. If you are asking about a woman, let's say for example you are asking about Sarah. Do you know anything about Sarah? تعرف شيء عن سارة. وينها. Now you will say وينها, not وينه. هالأيام, these days. تعرف شي عن سامي؟ وينه هالأيام؟ بتعرفي شي عن سارة؟ وينها هالأيام؟ If we use the word she before numbers or time, here it means about, in the understanding of more or less. For example, you want to say about 3 o'clock, or you want to say about 4 kilometers, or you want to say about 2 spoons of sugar. So if you want to say we arrived about 3 o'clock, in Arabic you would say وصلنا شي الساعة 3. وصلنا, we arrived. شي الساعة 3, about 3 o'clock. وصلنا شي الساعة 3. Or if you want to tell someone, I will talk to you in about half an hour. In Arabic you could say بحكي معك بعد شي نص ساعة. بحكي, I talk or I speak. معك, with you. معك if you are talking to a woman. بعد, after. شي نص ساعة, about half an hour. بحكي معك بعد شي نص ساعة. Or you could reverse it in Arabic, and here you have to change a little bit the sentence, and you could say شي نص ساعة وبحكي معك. شي نص ساعة, about half an hour. وبحكي, and I will talk. معك, with you. شي نص ساعة وبحكي معك. بحكي معك بعد شي نص ساعة. In about 2 days the car will be ready. شي يومين السيارة بتكون جاهزة. شي يومين, in about 2 days. السيارة بتكون جاهزة. The car will be ready. Or you could reverse it and say السيارة بتكون جاهزة بعد شي يومين. السيارة بتكون جاهزة. The car will be ready. بعد, here it means after. شي يومين, about 2 days. So if you want to put شي يومين at the beginning, we don't need بعد. Or even you could say it, you could say بعد شي يومين السيارة بتكون جاهزة, or شي يومين السيارة بتكون جاهزة. You have the choice. But if you want to put the شي يومين after, and you want to say السيارة بتكون جاهزة first, here you have to use بعد, after. شي السيارة بتكون جاهزة بعد شي يومين. I bought about 5 kilos of potato. اشتريت شي 5 كيلو بطاطا. اشتريت, I bought. شي 5 كيلو, about 5 kilos. بطاطا is potato. اشتريت شي 5 كيلو بطاطا. Try to use what we learned today in different examples and leave them for me in your comments. I will correct them for you. Now let's go over our words for today. Something, she. I want to tell you something important. بدي إلك شي مهم. Bring something sweet with you. جيب معك شي حلو. Are you looking for something? عم تدور على شي. Something else, شي تاني. Do you want something else? بدك شي تاني. There is something, في شي. Is there something to eat? في شي أكله. There is something wrong with the program. في شي غلط بالبرنامج. Nothing, ولا شي. Nothing will make him change his mind. ولا شي بخليه يغير رأيه. Nothing will make her change her mind. ولا شي بخليها تغير رأيها. I don't know anything about her. ما بعرف ولا شي عنها. I don't know anything about her. ما بعرف شي عنها. I don't know anything about what happened. ما بعرف ولا شي عن يلي صار. ما بعرف شي عن يلي صار. I didn't do anything over vacation. ما عملت ولا شي بالعطلة. I didn't do anything over vacation. ما عملت شي بالعطلة. Everything, كل شي. Everything's ready for the trip. كل شي جاهز للسفرة. You can find everything about the topic on the internet. فيك تلاقي كل شي عن الموضوع على الإنترنت. Everything's fine. كل شي تمام. Anything, أي شي. What do you want for dinner? Anything. شو بدك تتعشى أي شي. Feminine شو بدك تتعشي أي شي. Do you know anything about Sami and where he is these days? تعرف أي شي عن سامي؟ وينه هالأيام؟ Do you know anything about Sarah and where she is these days? بتعرفي شي عن سارة؟ وينها هالأيام؟ We arrived around 3 o'clock. وصلنا شي الساعة 3. I'll talk to you in about half an hour. بحكي معك بعد شي نص ساعة. In about half an hour I'll speak with you. شي نص ساعة وبحكي معك. In about 2 days the car will be ready. شي يومين السيارة بتكون جاهزة. The car will be ready in about 2 days. السيارة بتكون جاهزة بعد شي يومين. I bought about 5 kilos of potato. اشتريت شي 5 كيلو بطاطا. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more examples about Syrian dialect, you could see it over here. If you want to see more grammar, you could see it over there. See you there. Yalla bye.